So good afternoon to all of you in the post-lunch session. EVS lesson from tasting to digesting. In this lesson we learn about different tastes, how to draw a tongue and locate different taste buds, what is digestion, and an introduction to the digestive organs. Earlier we have learnt about different types of senses. There are 5 senses associated with 5 sense organs. So first one is sight, hearing, touch, smell and taste. You have earlier learnt about these senses, and the sense organs associated with these are eyes, ears, skin, nose and tongue. So in this lesson we learn about the last one, taste and tongue. So there are mainly 4 types of taste. Sour, salty, sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Okay, sweet, salty, sour and bitter. We can take one example. Sweet honey tastes very sweet. Then pepper, salty. Lemon is quite sour, and bitter gourd or the medicine you dislike is also bitter. So what are taste buds? Our tongue has tiny bumps called taste buds which help us to taste the food we eat. So here is a diagram of tongue. You can draw it as well. So different taste buds, they are locating at different areas on the tongue. Like taste buds in the front of the tongue. They can taste sweet things. Taste buds at the back of the tongue, they taste bitter things. Taste buds at the back of both sides, they taste sour. Taste buds at the front of both sides, at the sides, they taste salty. So now we can locate various taste buds. All the taste buds, they are specifically located at different areas on tongue. You must have experienced that if we eat sugar, we will feel the sweetness here at the tip of the tongue and bitterness at the back of the tongue. Similarly, salty things we can feel here, sour things we can feel here. Now I think that's clear to you. Now next one is digestion. What is digestion? It is the breaking down of the food into simple forms which the body can use. Our blood can easily absorb. Now, what are digestive organs? In our body, digestion takes place in certain organs that are called digestive organs. And the main organ involved is alimentary canal. And this alimentary canal is divided into various parts: buccal cavity, food pipe also called esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestines and anus. So you can understand this well by looking at this diagram. Now look here. First one is the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, this is nothing but mouth. This is digestive system, diagram of digestive system. Buccal cavity is your mouth, and in mouth we have teeth and tongue to swallow and chew the food. Now next one is a food pipe. The food is transported from mouth to the stomach through this food pipe. This is also called esophagus. Now next one is stomach. In the stomach the food is churned, and then the food is churned with the help of various digestive juices. The stomach has various digestive juices in it. Now, next one is small intestine. In the small intestine, the food is absorbed by the blood, and the food that is remains digested food is absorbed by the blood, but that remains undigested, it goes into the large intestines, and from there it goes out through the body, and this opening is called anus. So that was today's topic, tongue and the digestive system. So let's recapitulate what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned about different tastes. We have learned about different tastes, then taste buds, senses and sense organs associated with these. So different tastes, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, they all have, they are located at different areas on the tongue. These taste buds help us to feel the taste. Then what is digestion? Digestion is nothing but breaking down of the food, complex food particles into simpler food particles so that it can be easily absorbed by the blood. And digestive organ that is involved is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a long tube. It is further divided into various parts. Buccal cavity, which is mouth containing tongue and teeth, then food pipe and esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestine. Now this is the diagram of the tongue. So I think you can draw it easily. You must have understood that now. Okay, thank you.